In today's video, let me show you how to enable two-factor authentication inside of Robinhood. If you're trying to protect your account from unauthorized access, you can enable two-factor authentication either using text messages or using the Authenticator app. Inside of your Robinhood, in order to enable the 2FA, head over to the person icon on the bottom right. From the profile section, you'll need to tap on the three lines that is showing on the left hand side. So the three lines hamburger menu on the top left. Once you tap on this, you'll see the menu option. You'll need to head over to the second option, which says security and password. Inside the security and password setting, you'll see the option called two-factor authentication. By default, as you can see, it would be disabled. You can just tap on this option right here. And as I said earlier, you'll have two options or two methods of turning on the 2FA. Either you can use the Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, or you can also use the SMS option. In order for you to use the SMS option, you need to make sure that you've added in a phone number. If you have not yet added in a phone number, you can always use the Authentication app to set up the two-factor authentication. So that's all it takes to enable the two-factor authentication inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.